guitar fell and the string split the substrate into two parts. I have already removed 5 strings. It remains to remove the last string, and now I will demonstrate the repair of the guitar. Removing the strings and replacing the substrate. I have already purchased a new one. Here it is. It is also called string bone. It is half metal, half plastic. Hear the metallic sound. I also bought new strings. They are inexpensive but good. To get to the substrate, you need to remove all the strings. The strings are removed simply, with a sharp turn to open, loosen, and remove. Next comes the string clamp. We need to take the pliers and pull it out. Next, remove the string. Next, use pliers to pull the substrate out of its orbit. I have already taken out the substrate. Now we install a new substrate in our orbit. We insert it with the other side so that these protrusions are at the top in the area of \U200B\U200 thin strings, the other part in the region of bass strings. Now set the strings, starting with the bass strings. All strings are marked with their own color. For example, the 6th string is marked in yellow. Raise the clamp, start the string, fix the clamp. I start the string on the first peg. The string should be in the opening of the upper substrate. Now we stretch the string with a splitter. The second string is marked in red. Set it in the same way as the first string. I twist all the strings counterclockwise. The strings should not touch each other. The next string is marked in black. The fourth string is twisted already clockwise, so that there is a connector between the strings. If you twist it counterclockwise, the string will come into contact with other pegs, which is not acceptable. We also twist the remaining 2 strings, with a purple and silver mark. I installed all the strings, such a string broom appeared. When I play they will interfere. We cut the strings with wire cutters or twist them into a circle. But still they will touch the frets and interfere. So, the best option is to cut off the extra strings with wire cutters and they will not interfere during the game. The remaining pieces of strings are twisted into a circle so that there is no interference. Thank you all for your attention. Put likes, subscribe to the channel. All the best, goodbye.